Hello YouTube, it's the Drunken Lockpicker, and today we got a really cool thingamajig to play with today. We have my 20-year-old daughter's handcuffs. She wanted me to try them out, see what I could do with them, in case she ever gets trapped in them. So, these came from Academy, I believe they're Smith & Wessons. And from what I found out, there's several ways with it. We can actually kerfuckle these things, they're pretty simple. Stick, literally, Sparrow's twisted turn tool. Take this in, stick in this end, apply a little bit, and we just slide it right back out like that. And then another cool way, using the exact same thing, the locking mechanism, which we all know handcuffs is just lever operated. We just go in this way, and I say go in that way. Remember, drunken lockpicker, not sober lockpicker. He's got his own YouTube channel. Go in this way, get back in there, go in this way, and did it like 1,000 times earlier. I'm gonna pin my toe. Oh no. I'm just gonna leave that in there. We're not gonna edit that out. There we go. That's what I was trying to do for like the last 10 seconds. I'll flip it over, do this cuff, we'll do it again. What I was actually trying to demonstrate, if you can see it without my big drunk ass blocking the, just shut the keyhole. Yeah, you can see my keyhole. There we go. But straight up and down, around the corner, around the bend. Oh yeah, must have worked great when I'm doing it everywhere but on the video. There we go. And that's it. Quick, simple, easy. Oh, and by the way, don't use this videos for like illegal purposes or at all. I've got nothing to do with that. That's on you. Just saying. We actually own these handcuffs, so I didn't use them to break out of prison as like some of my followers might. Or jail. Or just getting away from their ex-wives. I mean, some of you are into some freaky shit like that. Alright. Open them a whole bunch of different ways with a damn little Sparrow's twisted turning tool. Shout out to Sparrows, by the way, as you can obviously see. I use 99.9% of everything they make. Until next time, stay drunk.